Now, in this video, we are going to take up one more problem on projections of laminas. How to solve this problem by using the SolidEdge software. The problem reads as a mirror 30 mm by 40 mm is inclined to the wall such that its front view is a square of 30 mm side. The longer side of the mirror appear perpendicular to both HP and VP. Find the inclination of the mirror with the wall. So to do that, first we will go for the SolidEdge screen. So this is the default screen of the SolidEdge, which is going to be the sheet size of A2. So now first I need to change this sheet size to A4. So to do that, I will take the cursor to the sheet 1 and right click and go to sheet setup. And in the background sheet, you are going to have A2 set sheet. So you make it A4. Now the size will going to become small. So show background, I don't want to show that. And I will say OK. So you will going to get the sheet which shrinks to A4. Then you go to fit the screen for the display. Now we will write the text. A mirror 30 mm by 40 mm. So to do that, first I will go for a text. So you come down to Times New Roman. Then you take the font size as 4. Then we go for click on the text button. Then you type a mirror 30 mm by 40 mm is inclined to the wall, such that its front view is a square of 30 mm side. The longer side of the mirror appear perpendicular to both HP and VP. Find the inclination of the mirror with the wall. And just go to sketch and just move this and you place it wherever you want. Okay. Now we will go for zoom window. Now we will start writing the answer for this. So to do that, first I will go for IntelliSketch. You switch on endpoint, intersection and horizontal or vertical. All other options you make it disabled. So first I will go for a line command and then I will make this as 0.05. Okay. Now we will start writing the text. So I will take line, you take one horizontal line of any length and you draw one more vertical line. Then right click. Then go to offset. Command is offset, take the distance as 40. Select this line, right click and offset to the front. Then again you take 30. You select this line, right click and you take this. And then go to trim corner between these two. Then go to select this entire thing and make this as 0.5. Okay. Now I will draw a horizontal line of any length to make that line as the XY line. Similarly, you consider any length and draw one more horizontal line. Then go to line, take the end point of this and draw a horizontal line, vertical line here. Okay. And then go to trim corner between these two. Now we are going to write the text here. Go to text and here you type capital X, you make it 3. Then you take capital X and you mark VP and you mark HP Then you come down to this, you write A dash, then you take B dash, then you take C dash, then you take D dash. And similarly, you take A, then you take B, then you take C in bracket, and then you take D in bracket. Okay, then you come down to zoom area. Okay, then go to move, disable copy, you take this and bring it nearer. Okay, then you take A dash, then you take B dash, then you take C dash, then you take D dash. Similarly, you take A, then you take D, then you take B, then you take C. Then you take this line, then you take this and go to 0.5. Okay. Now once you do that, you then go to fit. Now you go to the second position now. How to do that? Draw a horizontal projector from this line till here. Similarly from here you take this and draw this. Then I will take any arbitrary point and draw a vertical line. And now we go for trim. Go to trim. Trim this line here and here. Then go to offset. What is the distance? It becomes 30. So you take 30 and from here right click and drag. Then go to trim corner between these two and between these two. So then go to split this line till here, then you split this line till here. Now you go to zoom window, now you go to move, enable copy, you take A dash, then you take B dash, then you take C dash, then you take D dash. Okay, now remove this, take C dash and you take D dash. Okay, now you go to split this line. Okay, or split it. Okay, then go to select, you select all these 4 lines. Okay, and make these 4 lines to be 0.5. And now you make that as a group. Okay, then go to fit, then go to zoom window. So now what is it? Okay, now you go to group, select all these 4 sides. Okay, right click. Now you go to line and draw a vertical line from each of these projectors. Okay, and from here also you draw a horizontal line, and then go to trim corner between these two. Okay, similarly you go to line and draw one more vertical line to this top view. Then you take or command by center point, you take end point of this. What is the radius you want? Radius is 40. What is the sweep angle? I will take 10 degrees and you keep it on this vertical line. Okay, then go to trim this line till here. Then go to zoom window, then go to line, take end point to this end point. Then go to line. Of course, we are going to write anyhow, we are writing the projection. So there we are going to take it. Now you go to select this line and make it 0.5. Now once you do that, now you go to move, enable copy. You select this entire thing and you copy it to the next position of any length at any convenient distance. And then go to line and draw one more line here and go to extend to next. Then go to select and you delete this line. Now we need to make that horizontal line to be vertical because the longer side of the mirror is now parallel to HP. You make it perpendicular to HP. So to do that, so you're going to rewrite the same sketch in the second position top view by taking A dash here. Then you take B dash here. Then you take C dash. Then you take D dash. So that means the horizontal line become vertical and vertical line will going to become horizontal. So this is how you will be able to get this. Now once you do that, now you go to line and draw one more horizontal projector. Now we need to name them here. So to do that, I will come down to this, go to move, enable copy, you take A and now you take D. Similarly you take B and then you take C. Okay, then go to fit, then go to zoom area. Now you draw a horizontal projector from this also. Okay, then go to line and you will go to get AB here. Then go to trim. Okay, then go to line, select this end point and draw a vertical projector. And now you go to trim this. Now you come down to zoom window, then go to move, disable copy, take C dash and keep it here. Now you go to split, now split this line till here and now you split this line till here. Similarly you split this line till here and then you split this line till here. Now we want the longer side of the mirror up here, perpendicular to both HP and VP. So you take small letter A and now you take B, you take C and then D. And here you type capital Y. Okay. Now to do this, now you come down to zoom window. Now go to move, disable copy. Okay. You take D, then you take A, then you take B, then you take C. Then go to split this line. So all the sides are removed. Now you go to select. By holding the shift key, you select all these 4 lines. Okay. And you make this as 0.45. Okay. Now you can see the longer side of the mirror, that is A dash B dash, is perpendicular to HP and also perpendicular to VP. So you go to split this line till here, then go to select, remove this and then come down to move, disable copy, to take this and keep it here. So what should be this angle? So that angle will be 41.41. If you measure here, you can see minus 41.41. Hence your drawing is right. Now I will go for styles variable, select on ISO, then go to modify, go to general, make it all these colors should be black. Okay, then come down to text, come down to Times New Roman. Okay, now you take the font size as 3, then go to lines and coordinates, you make this line width as 0.1 and say OK and say apply. Now we go for the dimensions. So go to distance between this line and this line, you will go to get 30. Similarly, between text, okay. Now you go to distance between this line and this line, you will go to get 40. Now I need to go for the second one. So go to dimension. Then here you go to this, go to prefix, take the square symbol. So apply. Okay. Now you go to distance between this line and this line, you are going to get this square 30. Then go to come down. Then you go to move, disable copy. So you take it out. Okay. Now you similarly you come down to text. Distance between this line and this line, you are going to get square 30. Okay. Once you do that, now you come down to this angle, you select between these two. So you come down to this blank and make it blank. Then you are going to get only square symbol. So you come down to this and make it clear and apply. So now you have nothing to be there. So here you go to okay. Now I need to go to text. So go to text. So here type symbol. Okay. So come down to this, click on file. Sorry. Remove caps lock and type file. And now you go to move, disable copy. You select this and keep it here. Now we need to write the answer. So to do that, I will go for text. Take it down Times New Roman. Okay. Then you take the 41.41 by holding the Alt key, type 0176 and relieve the Alt key. Or if you don't get it, then you type just 41 degrees. Now you come down to this. Okay, you just copy that. So go to move, enable copy, select this and you move it here. Okay, then go to zoom window, then go to line and come down to this, then go to fill trim, then go to move, enable copy, you select this and you take it out. Go to y displacement is 0, so you take only x. Now you go to text and here types answer, then go to move, disable copy and select this and move it. So this is how you will be able to analyze, you will be able to write the solution by using the SolidEdge software. Till now I am not using any solutions, so I am doing directly without looking into the solution. This is how you should be able to create the drawing. So you go to this XY line and make that line to be 0.13 and all other rest is 0.05. So these lines are the projector lines, which is 0.05, and these are all the actual views, which will going to be 0.5. So this is how you will be able to solve the solution by using the SolidEdge software. Thank you.